Do you still remember our soya beans flour? Let's use that to make this soy milk. Hello there, if you're new here, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Now let's get started. Into a bowl, I add in 2.5 cups of the soya beans flour. Then I add 800 ml of cold water. Mix all together. I will add additional 600 ml of cold water, making it 1.4 liters. I'll mix all together once again and then I set it aside. On a bowl, I cover that with my chiffon cloth and then I go ahead and strain the milk. I'll transfer that into a cooking pot. And then stir this continuously on medium heat. One of the reasons why I love to use soya beans flour to make my soya milk is that it doesn't boil over. Unlike using the beans, like you blend the beans, strain the milk, and then you bring the milk to fire. That one you have to be very watchful because it can boil over. But the soya beans flour doesn't work like that, okay? So we take a rest and then we come in again and stir. With time, you will see this thin film forming on the surface. Please don't worry about that. We will get it out later, okay? And you can see that our milk never boils over. We are going to allow our milk to continue to boil till we get evaporated milk like consistency, okay? So now we take a rest again. And then we come in and stir. Still don't mind this thin film, okay? So to know that you have gotten the evaporated milk like consistency, just dip the ladle in the milk and then make a line at the back like this. If the line is visible, that means that we have gotten the consistency. So we take the milk off the fire. I will cover this with a clean napkin and then allow it to cool down completely, okay? So after it cools down, I'll take a spoon and then gently take out the thin film. We don't need that, okay? So we take it out. And then discard it. Now we are going to strain our milk for the last time. So I'll be using a strainer and also my chiffon cloth, and then I go ahead and strain the milk for the last time. At this point, you can add any sweetener of your choice, and I'm using sugar and also flavor, okay? You can use any flavor of your choice and also any sweetener of your choice. Then we mix all together, and there you have it, our soy milk made from soya beans flour is ready. As simple as that. Now I transfer my milk into a jar. And then go ahead and serve myself. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, but first of all, you have to know how to make the soya beans flour, and I have a video on that. I'll leave the link in the description, so guys, do go and check it out, okay? It's very simple, a very simple method. Trust me, you can do and even do it better. Now, cheers. You all are invited. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, please stay blessed. Bye bye.